In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use a VPN on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to download a VPN to our iPhone. So to do this, we first want to open the App Store, and then you want to click on the search icon in the bottom right, and you want to search for a VPN of your choice. For this example, we are going to be using NordVPN. Once you search for it, it should be the top result, which will look like this. If you scroll down, you can view more information about the VPN. However, to download it, you want to scroll all the way to the top, and you want to click on the Get button. However, mine shows the Cloud button because I've downloaded this in the past. Once you've downloaded the VPN, you want to click Open. When you open the VPN for the first time, you'll be taken to this screen. So you simply want to select one of these options, and then it will prompt you to sign into your Nord account. However, if you don't have one, I recommend you click on the link in the description of this video, where you can get yourself 73% off your Nord plan. So once you've created your Nord account, you want to click on Login, and then you want to go ahead and log into your Nord account that we created earlier. When you log in for the first time, you'll be taken to the home screen, which will look like this. Now we simply need to connect to a VPN server. So the first way of doing this is by interacting with this map here, or we can go ahead and select a VPN server from anywhere around the world. Alternatively, you can click on the Quick Connect button just below, which will connect you to a VPN server that's closest to you, giving you the best performance. Alternatively, we can slide this up, and here we can browse through a list of all of the countries that we can connect a VPN server to. So in this example, I'm going to connect to a VPN server from the United States. Once you've found a country of your choice, you may be able to connect to a VPN server from a specific city in that country. So if you want to do that, you want to click on the circle with the 3 dots just to the right of the country, and here it will give you a list of all of the cities that are available. However, for this example, I'm just going to connect to the quickest one, so I'm just going to select the country itself. Because it's our first time, we're prompted to create a VPN configuration profile, so you want to click Got It, and then you want to click Allow, and then you need to enter in your iPhone passcode. Once we've done this, it will ask us if we want to enable threat protection, so for this example, I'm going to select Enable. And after a couple seconds, we'll be successfully connected to a VPN server from that country. So now we are connected to that VPN server, we can exit out of the VPN application, and we can start using our iPhone just as we normally would. However, in this example, I want to access the US region version of Netflix. So to do this, I'm going to open the Netflix application, and I'm going to sign into my account. Once you've signed into your Netflix account, you'll now be able to access that region version of Netflix. So for this example, because I connected to US server, I can now browse the top 10 TV programs in the US today. So all I need to do is select a TV program, and I can start watching it just as I normally would. And that's it, so remember to click on the link in the description of this video to get 73% off your Nord account. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.